Assalamualaikum. Hi, I'm Teacher Sha, and today I'm going to show you how to make an origami heart. You need a piece of square paper. Fold the paper over to the right. Here I use a square origami paper, but it's okay to use other paper. Just make sure that it is square. Fold the top of the paper down to the bottom. Unfold. Now you have a vertical and a horizontal crease line in the center. Fold the bottom edge of the paper up to the center. Flip to the other side. Fold the bottom right corner to the center, aligning it with the vertical crease. Do the same with the left side. Remember to always do things with the right side first because it is the sunnah of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Now flip to the other side. Fold the right edge to the middle crease. Do the same with the left side. Fold the top right corner diagonally inwards. Do the same with the left side. Bring the top point down to the bottom point and flatten it down. Unfold. Set the top point inside the lower pocket. Slowly insert your finger under these flaps and flatten the inner corner into a triangle. Do the same with the left side. Fold the top right corner diagonally inwards. Do the same with the left side. Fold this top point down a little. Do the same with the left side. Now flip, and we are done. I hope you enjoy making origami heart with me. Until next time, goodbye. Assalamualaikum.